You hear people say loading coils make an antenna inefficient, but how much loss is it really? Every antenna has a length it wants to be. On 20 meters, that's around 16 foot, or a quarter wave. When you can't do 16 feet, you stick a coil in there to make up the length. You could tune it so your radio has a good SWR, but is that really effective? Well, kind of. You could absolutely make contacts with this, but you're trading length for efficiency. The shorter your antenna gets, the more efficiency you're giving up. And some of that loss happens right here in the coil, in the form of heat. You're still getting on the air, but not all your power is becoming signal. So how much loss are we talking about? I wanted to measure that, so I set up a test using a full-length quarter wave, and I grabbed a center-loaded coil antenna. You can watch this video on how I do antenna tests. I don't want to bore you with all the data, but in my setup, the coil-loaded antenna showed a loss of about 7 to 13 dB pretty consistently. To put that in perspective, 3 dB is half your power, so at 7 dB down, you're getting out less than a fifth of what the full-size antenna is putting out. At 13 dB down, it's shockingly closer to 1/20th. So why would you ever use one? There's a couple reasons. First is the length. For a 20 meter, that's only 16 foot. That's not too bad. But if you jump up to a 40 meter vertical, you're talking 33 feet. Now you're looking at having to put guy wires on it, or it's going to fall over or collapse. And at 80 meters, that's a whole different problem. The other reason is flexibility. Most loading coils are adjustable, like this HF010, or this Wolf River coils. You could just tune the coil and switch from, say, 40 meters to 20 meters, giving you the flexibility to change bands based on conditions. But just know, that flexibility comes with the trade-off of efficiency. Now also, not every coil is created equally. Bigger coils usually have less loss than skinnier, longer coils. So if you know you're going to run 20 meters or higher, just grab a full-length vertical. But if you think you're going to run below 20 meter band, go ahead and grab a coil and throw in the bag as well.